You are an idiot if you're not watching these three stocks from Monday's trading day. On Friday, as always, I gave you two of the biggest stocks in the market on CYCU and CYPH before its massive 100% squeeze out of market open. And I think I may have just found the next massive short squeeze in the market. And as always, I'll be saving my absolute favorite stock for last. And I have a massive gift for you at the end, so make sure to watch the full video if you like making money. Let's go ahead and get into it. First up on the list is the massive winner that I gave you on Friday on CYPH before it made that 100% move. And the fact is, a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money watching this the wrong way this week, so here's how you need to be watching it. Now, back on Friday, this did put in place a pretty heavy range between 3 and 350, so no breakouts here are really going to be valid. There's only one way to watch this, and it's going to be off pullbacks over that previous daily high. So what I have to see here is this pullback over this past daily high underneath $2.50. If buyers begin to show up and put in place these higher lows over 225, we see sell side exhaustion. That is your entry opportunity off these pullbacks for the range back overhead to 3 and 350, maybe even back to 440 if this really gets going. But so whatever you do, just don't chase breakouts on this week. There are much better setups. Let's go ahead and get into number two. Next up, number two, and finally getting into the good stuff, is another one that I gave you on Friday before its 70% move, and this thing looks crazy for Monday morning. Now, what I have to see here is price consolidate in this range for a bit, because we have to see VWAP and the moving averages come a little bit lower down here so we can use that as a bit of an area of support. If that happens, I then want to look for pullbacks using VWAP as our area of support, as you can see like this. And from those confirmed pullback entries, this thing has massive range back to the upside to the past highs towards 7, maybe even $8 a share to the upside. Next up, and last but not least, is the best setup I have seen in weeks, and this thing seriously looks incredible. Now, before I give you my entire game plan, I give you the top 3 stocks in the market every single night for completely free, and the watch list has a 100% win rate for the month of November so far. So please do me a massive favor and hit that like button to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list just like this. Now, that stock here is the extremely small float stock on CMCT. Now, just like CYCU that I gave you on Friday for its massive move, this is again an amazing looking cup and handle breakout setup. And with its tiny flow, this could make a massive move this week if it starts to find some volume. Now, there's actually 2 ways we can watch this, and this has room all the way up into its daily gap to 15, so you want to listen up. Now, the first way to watch this is the bottom of its handle down here off of $8 a share. If price does find strength and put in place a nice double bottom off this 8 level going into the morning, this looks amazing off that 8 level for the range back to the upside to 980 and 10. On the flip side, you can also play a breakout here. If this gets going over the past highs of $11.66, you can then look for pullbacks to confirm a bottom somewhere over $10.60 for the range back overhead to $15. Now listen up for my gift to you. To get access to my full watch list every night, every morning, and to watch me trade these stocks and so many others in real time every single day, and to get alerts, education, chat room access, scanners, news, and so much more, make sure for a limited time to claim your 14-day free trial. Not 7 days like usual, 14 days. You have until Thursday night to do it, but you better hop in before the spots fill up. And as always, comment down below which one of these 3 stocks is your favorite for tomorrow, what stocks you're watching for tomorrow, and I better see you in that